Unleash the power of AI to transform your content creation process and achieve success faster. In this mini course, you will discover how AI can streamline the creation of outlines, emails, blog posts, podcasts, lesson plans, transcripts, show notes, and more. Learn how to create compelling subject lines and quotes for social media, and even design quizzes and tests for your online course. Efficiency is the key for the busy professional who wants to create impactful content and reach their audience. With AI's assistance, you can significantly reduce the time and effort required to create an awesome course or content. By the end of this mini course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to jumpstart your passive income journey. Get started with this free mini course by clicking the 9 Ways AI Powers Up Content Creation button and take advantage of AI to power up creating inspirational and profitable content. It's going to seem like science fiction when you use this, but it's actually tools that are available mostly for free that you can use today. Let's get started.